Python is a versatile programming language used in various environments, from web development to data science. Built with reports that there are approximately 118,269 active Python websites and 689,943 websites that have utilized Python in the past. Python's strengths include flexibility, speed, scalability, and outstanding performance. NASA uses Python to calculate flight parameters, while Netflix leverages it for data analysis and security tracking. Google, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, and Spotify are just a few of the tech giants that rely on Python for its simplicity and practicality. Outsourcing Python development can be a strategic move for several reasons. First, it allows you to extend your in-house team when your project expands. Second, it provides access to tech expertise that may be lacking in your department. Third, it helps you meet urgent project deadlines by quickly identifying specialists. Fourth, it addresses talent shortages or long hiring periods, especially in competitive fields like Silicon Valley. Lastly, outsourcing is ideal for starting a project from scratch, enabling you to deliver a proof of concept to investors quickly and efficiently. Outsourcing involves delegating the entire software development process to a third-party vendor. There are three main options: nearshore, offshore, and outstaffing. Nearshore outsourcing offers the benefits of the same time zone and cultural similarities, but comes with high rates and taxes. Offshore outsourcing, particularly to Eastern Europe, provides affordable prices, access to senior specialists, and flexibility in delivery methods. Outstaffing, on the other hand, involves leasing personnel to firms, requiring more control from your end, but appealing to startups and big businesses. Each method has its pros and cons, depending on your specific needs. North America is a high-density tech region but faces a talent shortage and rising rates. Asia, including India and the Philippines, offers low prices, but may have quality and time zone challenges. Latin American countries are favored for their geo-proximity and cultural similarities, though they can be more expensive than Eastern Europe. Eastern Europe, particularly Ukraine, is a growing hub for Python developers. Ukraine's IT sector generated $2 billion in exports during wartime, with over 20,000 Python developers available. This region offers affordable prices, quality results, and a customer-oriented approach. Selecting the right outsourcing partner involves several steps. First, review the expertise of your shortlisted vendors, focusing on their technology stack and customer service. Second, discuss how they approach business to ensure alignment with your values. Third, check the vendor's credibility by looking for positive word of mouth and helpful feedback. Fourth, match your needs with the vendor's capabilities, ensuring they can meet your specific requirements. Lastly, consider data privacy and security concerns, as these are crucial in the digital economy. By following these steps, you can establish a profitable collaboration and maximize efficiency in your Python projects.